What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because for the past couple of days we formed here another interesting trading setups that I want you to know about. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, and also if you are interested about the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. Here I am currently watching two main areas. The first area is this bearish order block area, which is between level 0.9414 and 0.9082. And the second area is this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.8241 and 0.7849. First possible long opportunity will be valid in case of a retest of this bullish order block. With this area, you are having here actually two ways how you can trade it. First one will be to wait here just for a support confirmation, and in this case you will open the long position somewhere in this bullish order block area, and stop loss you need to place under this bullish order block, because if there will be breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. Your last take profit targets, in this case, you can place at least under this last bearish order block, which is between levels 1.13 and 1.11, which will give you a potential profit around almost 37% of a net market. If you are watching my videos, you know that usually I'm placing the last take profit targets above important bearish order block. In this case, I am placing it slightly under this first one, and the reason why I am not placing it like above this area, so there will be like profit 39%, is that in my opinion this area is such small that it's like not worth of taking that risk, because still there is some probability that the market will reverse here. So me personally, for another profit which will have around like 1.3% of a net market, I don't wanna risk this whole resistance. And also taking like two take profit targets, so one take profit target here and then here, is also not making that much sense. So this trade can give you potential risk to reward up to 8.95, which is in my opinion really great, but of course it will depend on where actually we will do the support confirmation. And also in this case you want to take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits you want to take like under these lows, this bearish order block area, above this bearish order block area, under for example this high, under this bearish order block area, and then you will place some back to that last take profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio, let's say approximately 10, something like that, the risk reward ratio is going to be around 7, something like that, which is in my opinion really great setup. But even better setup that you can take here, in my opinion, will be valid in case of a liquidity grab under this bullish order block, because in my opinion there is actually pretty high probability that once we will test this bullish order block, we are gonna take liquidity under, and if after that there will be an increased bullish volume with a support confirmation, you can open here a long position with really great stop loss, and in my opinion also low probability of that your stop loss is gonna be hit. So in this case, your stop loss needs to be under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume the market will do, for example, something like this fake out and then a support confirmation in this bullish order block. So in this case, you need to place your stop loss under the low that we created. I hope it's understandable. Your last take profit target in this case can remain exactly the same. So again, we are speculating for around like, yeah, under this bearish order block area. And because we will probably enter a little bit lower, the potential profit in this case will be around 40% of a net market. This trade in this case will give you worse risk reward ratio around 6.85, but of course the stop loss like it can be much lower, and then the risk reward ratio will be of course much better. So yeah, that's the main reason why the potential risk reward ratio it's lower right now. But also there is really low probability, or like much lower probability, that's in the previous trading scenario that stop loss in this case will be hit. So me personally, if there will be that fake out with a support confirmation, this is the main setup that I'm watching on Cardano on the 1 hour chart. And if you, for example, don't want to watch these charts on your own and you want to copy my exact trades, then don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Another setup how you can trade this coin will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block area, because as I said in the beginning of this video, right now I am watching here two main important areas, and I only explained to you like what I will be doing if we are gonna hit this support area, so this bullish order block. But if the market will go up and there will be a breakout and then support confirmation of this bearish order block area, you can open here a long position as well. In this case, I want to see here a support confirmation above like this higher bearish order block, so above the level 0.942. So in this case, the setup can look, for example, like this. Again, I want to wait here, as I said, for the support confirmation, because there is pretty high probability of a potential fake out, which means that we will just take the liquidity and then the market on the 1 hour chart will close in this bearish order block area. Then this setup is of course invalid. Stop loss in this case you need to place under this bearish order block area, because again, if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then there is pretty high probability, or like higher probability, that the market will continue to go down. So you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary, and your last take profit target in this case can remain exactly the same. In this case, you are looking for risk reward ratio around 4.5, which is not that great as in the previous scenarios. And if you will take like multiple take profit targets, you will get risk reward ratio around 3.5, which is like not that great, but in my opinion it is still a really good setup. And in this bullish scenario, if you want, you can place the last take profit target like above the current high, which is on the level 1.33, which will give you in this case risk reward ratio around 10. So yeah, if you want to take higher risk and you don't want to have that low risk reward ratio, you can place your last take profit target a little bit higher. But don't forget to take multiple take profit targets. So first take profit target, for example, under this high, then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can turn your profitable position into a loss. And then once you will take, for example, next take profit target, you can move your stop loss again, and that's how you can, in my opinion, manage your position really well. On a weekly time frame, I still, in the long time perspective, it's only a matter of time until we will get to this bearish order block area. So right now it's only making sense to open a long trade. So it's still a potential move around like 250% of a net market. As I told you in my previous analysis, I am expecting something around like $3.5 mark per one Cardano in this bull market in the next year. So yeah, I think this target is still valid, and it's only a matter of time until we will see another alt season and another pump like we saw, for example, there. So yeah, my main strategy right now is to just open some trading positions, and if those setups that I'm talking about will be valid, I'm definitely planning to open one here. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. And if you, for example, want to help with trading and you want to know about all the altcoins that I'm watching, then as I said, don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.